speed meets legacy, inside the 2024 Aprilia V4 Factory SE. 09 SBK Special Editions. In the world of superbikes, few names carry the weight of history like Aprilia. Known for blending precision engineering, race-proven technology, and bold design, Aprilia has created motorcycles that are as thrilling to ride as they are to admire. Among these, the RSV4 series stands out, having carved a path in the competitive world of world superbike racing. In 2009, the RSV4 achieved a landmark victory, its first ever at the World Superbike Championship, cementing Aprilia's reputation as a force to be reckoned with on the global racing stage. 15 years later, in 2024, Aprilia pays homage to that defining moment with the V4 Factory SE. 09 SBK Special Editions. Far from being mere replicas, these motorcycles are living tributes, designed to celebrate a racing legacy while delivering the advanced performance and handling modern riders demand. A first glimpse, the unveiling in Austin. The SE09 SBK editions were revealed during the 2024 MotoGP Grand Prix of the Americas in Austin, Texas, an arena synonymous with speed, precision, and racing spectacle. The unveiling featured Aprilia Racing Factory riders Alix Espargaro and Maverick Vinales, whose presence reinforced the model's racing pedigree. Two distinct motorcycles emerged from the spotlight: the RSV4 Factory SE 09 SBK and the Tuono V4 Factory SE 09 SBK, each embodying Aprilia's dedication to performance, design, and exclusivity. From the moment the motorcycles were unveiled, it was clear that these special editions were more than just commemorative machines. They were statements. Every line, every accent, and every carbon fiber detail was a nod to Aprilia's racing triumphs, a celebration of speed, and a tribute to the riders and engineers who made history possible. Racing heritage in every detail. What sets the SE09 SBK editions apart is their striking tribute to Aprilia's racing past. The design borrows directly from the original 2009 RSV4 World Superbike livery. A deep black base color provides a dramatic backdrop, punctuated by red and white highlights across the upper fairing, fuel tank, and tail section. The aesthetic recalls the adrenaline-filled moments of championship racing while presenting a modern, street-legal package. But this tribute goes beyond paint. Aprilia has incorporated carbon fiber air ducts for the brakes and a carbon fiber front fender, blending lightweight performance with visual aggression. Subtle details, like the individual numbering on each fuel tank, reinforce the exclusivity of these limited edition machines. Owning one is not just about speed. It is about connection to a story of triumph, a piece of racing history you can touch, ride, and experience firsthand. Power that demands respect. Beneath the polished surface, the SE09 SBK editions retain the mechanical excellence of their standard counterparts, ensuring that no compromise is made between style and performance. The RSV4 Factory SE09 SBK packs a claimed 217 horsepower and 92 ft-lbs of torque, making it a true superbike capable of delivering jaw-dropping acceleration and precise cornering. Its sibling, the Tuono V4 Factory SE09 SBK, offers 175 horsepower and 90 ft-lbs of torque, blending the naked bike layout with track-ready technology. The open design, upright seating position, and agile handling make the Tuono a versatile machine, suitable for both spirited road, riding, and track performance. Both models are equipped with advanced electronics, traction control, multiple ride modes, and ride-by-wire throttle systems, ensuring riders can extract every ounce of potential safely and effectively. The result is motorcycles that deliver both thrills and confidence, a combination that has become synonymous with Aprilia's V4 engines. Exclusivity and collectability. Limited edition motorcycles carry a certain mystique, and the SE09 SBK editions are no exception. Beyond their striking design and race-inspired detailing, these motorcycles are individually numbered, marking each one as a unique collector's item. This sense of rarity is reinforced by careful attention to detail. Carbon fiber elements, precision finishes, and thoughtful color placement signal that these are not mass-produced machines. They are crafted works of art, designed for those who value both performance and history. For enthusiasts and collectors, the SE09 SBK editions are more than motorcycles. They are investment pieces, merging aesthetic appeal with tangible racing heritage, bringing racing legacy to the market. In North America, the RSV4 Factory SE09 SBK carries a price of $26,449, while the Tuono V4 Factory SE09 SBK is listed at $19,999. Both motorcycles are scheduled to hit dealerships starting June 2024. While positioned in the premium segment, the cost reflects the combination of limited production, world-class engineering, and historical significance. These motorcycles provide a unique opportunity for enthusiasts to own a piece of Aprilia history while experiencing one of the most advanced superbikes on the market. They are as much a nod to collectors as they are to riders seeking exhilarating performance, offering a rare intersection of heritage, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Emotional and cultural resonance. The SE09 SBK editions succeed not only as machines but as storytellers. Each bike captures a narrative of victory, innovation, and the pursuit of excellence. They remind riders and collectors alike of Aprilia's championship-winning history and of the engineers, designers, and riders who made those victories possible. For the rider, the experience is visceral. Every twist of the throttle, every lean into a corner, and every acceleration down a straight invokes the thrill of a racetrack. The combination of high performance, racing-inspired design, and modern electronics makes riding these motorcycles a deeply engaging, almost cinematic experience. Heritage meets modern engineering. The genius of the SE09 SBK editions lies in their balance of history and technology. They honor Aprilia's racing roots while embracing the engineering advancements of the present. This ensures that riders can enjoy heritage-inspired aesthetics without sacrificing performance, making each motorcycle both a tribute and a tool for contemporary riding excitement. By blending carbon fiber components, precision-engineered engines, and advanced electronics, Aprilia delivers motorcycles that are true to their legacy yet fully capable in today's performance landscape. This synthesis of past and present ensures that the SE09 SBK editions are timeless machines, equally thrilling for collectors, enthusiasts, and riders alike. Conclusion: the SE09 SBK as a modern icon. The 2024 Aprilia V4 Factory SE09